Hi, my name is Chris. Today we have the Xiaomi Mijia monitor light. I saw this on TikTok a little while back and I thought it looked really cool. I bought it because sometimes I'll be reading at my desk or I'll have a lot of papers to sort through and it'd be nice to have a light shining down to make it easier. I do have to stipulate that the box came in a really bad shape. It was basically broken in right here, crushed right here, and then, look at the back of this. It's a pretty nasty shape, so I'm a little bit worried about the contents inside, but let's see how it is. It's gonna be a quick unboxing and then review. Let's get started. As you can see, there are really only 4 parts. There's a 2.4 gigahertz controller, the clamp, the lamp, and the USB-C cable. The clamp and the lamp are really nice heavy metal. They feel nice. And this controller is a soft matte plastic. The instructions are in Chinese, but I'll demonstrate the assembly process so that you don't have to read it. Now that it's all set up, let me show you what it looks like. This device is also really easy to use. You tap it to turn it on, you turn the top to adjust the brightness, and you hold down and turn to adjust the warmth. Pretty cool stuff. Honestly, it looks really nice. This light makes it really easy to read, and it has a color rendering index of 90. To give a bit of scale, the color rendering index measures the ability of a light source to reveal colors and is measured from 1 to 100. 1 is monochromatic light, so think really dull, and 100 is natural sunlight. So it's basically a measure of quality of light. 90 is really good. Also, another pretty cool feature is that this light can rotate 25 degrees, shining up different parts of your desk. I bought this off AliExpress. Link in the description below. It's not an affiliate link. It costs about 55 bucks and arrived in about 3 weeks. There are other cheaper monitor lamps like this one here, but what made this Xiaomi one stand out was the remote control. It makes it super convenient and adds a bit of flair to your desk. My overall rating, 10 out of 10. Aesthetic is nice, remote control works well, and I'm just a sucker for cool lights. The only downside was that the box came pretty banged up, but it doesn't matter much to me because the insides were undamaged. And that sums it up. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys for the next one.